Hello my friends and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. Today I am going to share with you one of my biggest secrets. I am revealing a hair keratin alternative, a method for hair straightening at home. The results will be the same like a hair salon keratin session. Before I share this absolutely amazing hair treatment with you, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. I promise that this treatment will not cost you more than $20, but results will leave you positively shocked. My old school friend, Nikki Joseph, told me a top secret method to straighten your hair at home without spending a lot of money. You all know that I have super long hair, but it is also super frizzy and curly. So today I'm going to test this treatment on my hair. My two other friends have also tried this technique and results were surprising and quite unbelievable. So let's have a look at the ingredients we're going to need to prepare our secret hair straightening cream. First of all, you need 3 tablets of aspirin. Then you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of pure organic white butter. I am using homemade butter, but store-bought will be just fine. Our next ingredient is vitamin E capsules. Remember to buy the yellow ones only, as they also help to straighten the hair permanently. Now, let's crush the aspirin using a spoon or something similar. What we need is the aspirin powder. And by the way, don't worry because it's completely safe to use aspirin on hair. It also helps to get rid of dandruff. I've done proper research and it's completely safe to use aspirin as it has no side effects. Next, add 6 to 7 capsules of vitamin E in your aspirin powder. Remember to use yellow capsules only, otherwise you will never get the same results. Now mix well. One more thing. If you follow the given instructions as it is, you will get the same results. This is my guarantee. Now it is time to mix the aspirin mixture with our butter. I think it's better to mix using your hands. However, you can also wear gloves if you're not comfortable. But in order to mix butter and aspirin mixture properly, use your hands. After mixing it well, it's ready to use. Remember to shampoo your hair before applying the mixture. Just please don't use any conditioner. Only wash your hair with shampoo. Now divide your hair in sections, same like you do when you apply hair extensions, rebonding or keratin. And then start applying the mixture from roots to ends. Apply the mixture from your roots to your ends, in the same way we would apply hair straightening cream. Apply the cream all over your hair in the same way and leave it on for the next 2 hours. In the meantime, don't tie up your hair as you have applied the straightening cream, so let it just be straightened. After 2 hours, your hair will have absorbed all the cream. Now it's time to straighten your hair using a professional hair straightener. Straighten the hair properly. Spend as much time as you need on this, because your final results will depend on this step. The more you straighten now, the more perfect results you will get. I am repeating again. Focus on this step, because if you leave any stray curls in this step after washing, those curls will appear again. We don't want this. So please straighten your hair very properly. Spend the maximum possible time on this step to get the best results. After straightening your hair, leave it on for 20 minutes and afterwards apply the same cream again. If your cream is finished, prepare more. Making this cream is after all very easy. This time around, you just have to leave the cream on your hair for just 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, wash your hair with a shampoo. Be careful, you have to use a shampoo for professional use only, not a normal shampoo. So use that one to wash your hair. After washing your hair, let it dry naturally, and when it dries up, you will see that your hair is no longer curly. This is a 100% tested and effective treatment to straighten your hair at home. I just love the results because now my hair just looks so cool. This remedy is amazing and its results are permanent. So there is no need to repeat the remedy again and again, because the results, I repeat, are permanent. Try this today and share your feedback with me. Also remember to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.